Hi everyone, I hope you are well and Sandeep and most welcome. I would like to thank everybody who is listening in this time, who is watching. So my dear friends, this video for to you. If you are think that if you want to do something new in your life, you must try to understand and you must try to work it yourself. If you want to be fluent in English, I think that my dear friends, it is dependent yourself and you must try to work at your fluency. I think that you can do better and you can learn better. So I think that my dear friends, we must never forget at this talk. If we want to do, we must try again and we must try work at my fluency if we want to be fluent in English. I think that my dear friends, I know something well and we can do some improvement, we can make well confident if we giving time at my communication skill. I think that you can do and you can learn here something new. If you want to do well, if you want to learn, I think that you must try to watch of people and you can join many of people. You must watch if you think that in your mind not come out how you have to spoke, how you have to keep your word from the people and how you have to start your talk. I think that you must try to watch and you can learn. So I think that what become to me, we must try to learn better and we must try to work. If we would give time, if we would do practice lot of us, I think that we can make well, we can do something new. And I think that I have made already many videos, so I have not gaining what we want to say and how we must try to speak in my video. So I think that who I am saying already that word is not connect who I want to say. But if you think that you cannot capable to do well, it is your weakness. I think that you can make well and you can make well confident in your life. You must try to watch of people, I think. So when I have made time, we try to learn, we try to speak, we try to do some practice. How we have to think, how we have to keep up my thoughts. Someone are watching to me and we feel hesitate. If someone are watching, I think that my different, I don't know that why in my mind create frustration and we have feel lot of hesitate watching of people. So I think that we must try to remove and we must try to make well, we must try to make confident how we can develop, how we can learn well, how we can increase our confident level. Lot of talk have you must try to do. And I think that if you are ignoring of people, it is depend yourself, my dear friends. If you have learned ignore of people, I think that my dear friend, there is no one can stop to you. You can do because there is no one can stop to succeed in which field you want to go. So I think that you can watch here many shyness and beautifulness here around me. And I always in my video, I belong in village and we are trying to improve myself and we are watching of people. So I think we can learn watch of people, we can make well of myself, we can make something different if we watch of people. So my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you think that you must try to do work at your fluency, you must try to do work at your English, you must try to do work at your communication skill, you must try to start. And I think that you can do well and you can learn well. So you can watch here. I think that what I want to say, I know that at this talk, but said that hesitation and frustration is creating lot of us in my mind. So my dear friends, I think that who is coming in your mind, you must put out. So if you want to improve yourself, if you want to keep your thoughts between of people, my dear friends, what people would know if I would not talk of people. I think that my dear friends, we must try to know at this talk. So if we want to talk stranger people, stranger girl, stranger person. I think that my dear friend, that time I feel lot of hesitation. If we would not talk in our local language, why? So I think that first time, but I think that my dear friends, I am feeling more comfortable when we talk in English and when we try to speak something. So I think what I want to do, what I want to gain in my life, we must try to focus, and I think that I can do well in my life. I hope you are watching to me, you can join with me and you can say your thoughts in the comment section, because I am stand here a long place where there is no one is seeing, you can watch here. So I think that my dear friends, we have feel lot of hesitation when we watch other people. If someone are watching to me, if we make video, so first of all I am feeling same what he would think about myself. I think that, but we must try to make well, we must try to do work at my communication skill. We want to gain something new, so I think that we can do well. So if you are watching to me, you can join with me and you can share your thoughts in the comment section. I think that you can share your thoughts in the comment section. This video I'm making for this purpose. I do some practice, I do, and I don't forget what am I. So I think that my difference after some time, when we have spent lot of days, we are forgetting something. I think that we are nothing, and we must try to work when we are watching of myself again. So I think you can do well and you can learn. If you are watching to me, you can join with me officially Sandeep, and you can say your thoughts in the comment section. I hope. Thank you.